Hey League of Legends fans! Ever wondered how to keep an eye on your FPS and ping in League of Legends while playing? Well, today's your lucky day. Let's jump right into it. To display FPS and ping, open up League of Legends. Click on the settings icon, switch to the hotkeys tab. Scroll down and expand the display settings. Check the key set in toggle FPS display. By default, it's set to Ctrl plus F. During a game, press Ctrl and F together, and voila! Your FPS and ping will now be displayed in the top right corner of your screen. If this video was a game changer for you, show some love with a like and consider subscribing for more League of Legends tips and tricks. Thanks for tuning in, and may your FPS be high and your ping low.